Ari Chain has made an announcement that they'll be halting their mining. That is, the mining will be coming to an end on the 27th of this month of August. Now, a lot of people have actually not completed their KYC, and I have received a lot of messages, a lot of DMs as regarding to that. So that is what I am going to be addressing to you in this video. So you know all about KYC on Ari Chain, and the best way to position yourself to be able to receive the airdrop. So this is my Ari dashboard. For those of you that are not yet mining Ari chain, I won't specifically say it's too late, because from what I am seeing, Ari chain might probably be doing a season 2. Yes, so since the mining is not halted yet, you can still join. The basic ways you get to earn on this platform is just your daily check-in, which you can see I have done mine today. And then I have to do their Twitter mission, which I have not done yet, but I'll be doing that after this video. And the third thing here is their daily quiz. So before we proceed, I'll go ahead and do my quiz for today. For those of you that are not on my Telegram channel, I'll say you're missing a lot, because I do drop the quizzes every day. As you can see, 23rd of August, I've dropped for Xenia Wallet, I've dropped for Ari Chain, Marina, Spore Protocol, Syntavax. If you are not participating on all of these projects, you can get the link on this same channel here. So just use the link in the description box of this video to join this channel, and then you can, get all of this link. Now, for today, the answer for Ari Wallet is B. So I'm going to head back here and select B. But make sure you always go through this question, read it. At least it's for your own good, for your own understanding, so you get to learn some terms in the Web3 space. And speaking of learning some terms in the Web3 space, let me just make a short announcement. A lot of you guys, you came through the space through various ways, maybe because you heard promises of airdrop paying, and probably you've even received payments from one or two airdrop. Yes, but that does not mean that the space is all about airdrops. In fact, if you've been paying attention right now, you notice that airdrop has not really paid so far this year. A lot of people are crying. People are just, putting their money into airdrop, burning their data, burning their time, and a lot, but they're still not making a lot of money. This has made a lot of people to give up on the space, while others still remain. So I just want to use this opportunity to tell you that there are a lot of other ways to make money in this space. There are a lot of other ways, and the ways are something that you might not even imagine, like just strange ways. So for you to be able to make money in this space, you first of all know that it's not all about airdrop. Airdrop is just a marketing strategy that projects used to push what they are building. Yes, it could be a meme coin, it could be a utility in the Web3 space, it could be anything, but it's just a marketing strategy. And you should know that as a marketer, they will always prioritize themselves. Yes. So airdrop is here to stay, quite all right, which I'm going to be making another video on that. But the space is not about airdrop. There are a lot of other things you could do here to make money. So I'm going to be hosting a special class where I'm going to be teaching you guys all of these things. I'll first of all, groom you. Yes, I'm going to cook your mindset, turn your mindset around, so you see this Web3 space in a different way. Once you see it in a different way, get as you want the way, go make cash. So the class is going to be starting from September, second week of September, that is 9th. I'm going to be hosting the class every 2 weeks. It's going to be a 6-week class where I'm going to groom you on the whole concept of what Web3 is all about, blockchain technology, DeFi, and any skill at all that you want to go into the Web3 space. So we'll give you an intro on how to go about that. If you don't want to come to me directly, there are a lot of other places you could learn from. Actually, even on this YouTube that are watching this video right now, you could actually learn from YouTube. You could just search for videos. The only problem there is that you might not get it straightforward as what we'll be doing in the class, and also when you're done, we give you a certificate of completion. Yeah, something like that. So if you want to be groomed into this space, you can simply send me a DM. I'm gonna be showing you what we plan teaching throughout the classes, and a lot of all of that. And it's not free. It's not free. It's not free. It's going to cost you just $17. It's not much, and it's not little either. So work towards it. We're going to show you what is going to be making you money for a lifetime after you acquire the knowledge. So this is Ari Chain. Back to Ari Chain here. This is their This is their app. I mean, a lot of people don't know that Ari Chain actually has a test net. Yes, this one here is the wallet where you're claiming the Ari token, but they actually have a testnet website. About some months ago, I think about 4 months ago, some people were giving KYC. They were able to complete KYC on Ari Chain, And this is what they did. Let's first of all head into my browser. So this is my browser here. Once I enter my browser, you use this search bar to search for arichain.com. Let's search for it. arichain.com. You can also copy this link in the description box of this video. I'm going to drop it there for those of you that want to just copy and paste. So this is arichain.com. Now, about some months ago, they gave KYCs to some people. But these people did something to get the KYC. It's not as if they just looked at them and gave them KYC. No. These were people that purchased Ari Chain IDO. Yeah, special people that got the information are able to purchase Ari Chain IDO. So if you're not one of these people that was able to get in, definitely you're not getting KYC from Ari Chain. And if you do not do that KYC, what is left for you to do now is to hold on them, since they'll be halting the mining. Today is 23. They'll be halting the mining on the 27th. And from there, like I said, I'm predicting they're going to be doing a season 2. So it depends on them, but that is just based on my own personal prediction. The next KYC they'll be rolling out will be for members, because a lot of the members have not gotten KYC. A lot of people. So the next KYC they might probably be hosting, it is going to be directly inside this their app, this wallet app. So it is going to be somewhere in the settings, and they might not even do a KYC at all. We don't know. They might just do the distribution. I'm someone that is very bullish on Ari Chain. I don't know about you. I'm very bullish on Ari Chain. So what you need to do now on this your dashboard here, make sure that you tap on these settings here and you have secured your private key. Yes, click on this view master. Make sure that your private key is very secure, so that, let's say, somehow if you get logged out of the app, you lost your password or something, you will not lose access to your Ari chain. Very important. So make sure you keep it secure. This is a wallet. As you can see, I already have a wallet address. So that is basically all there is to this on that. I will still be making more videos on this. I've already dropped a video as regarding to B KYC, because B has started releasing fresh amount of KYCs to users. So if you want to be getting updates like this, you know the right thing to do. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Follow me on my X, which was formerly Twitter. We do drop updates there even before making videos on there. So you stay in touch and don't miss out.